Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another grocery haul and weekly meal plan. This week I went to Walmart. It was the only store I went to. I kind of wanted to go to Aldi, but I needed to get things from Walmart as well. So I just decided to go ahead and do it all in one trip. So I'm going to be gone part of this week. Today's Sunday and I'm actually leaving today to go out of town for a work trip. I'll be out of town until Tuesday. And then I'll come back, and then Friday I'm actually leaving again for a scrapbooking retreat in Michigan. So some of the food that I bought is just convenience food for Adam to make the kids while I am gone. We also just got back from vacation, which we had kind of a lot of food left over from that, so I didn't need a whole lot of groceries this week. I spent a little over $200, and most of it actually came from the non-food items. So I picked up some more chicken nuggets for the kids. These are the Tyson brand. I also got some of the Golden Crinkles French fries, so Adam can throw those in the oven with the chicken nuggets. And then I also got them some fish sandwiches. The kids really like to have these for dinner. They like to eat them on a bun with ketchup, so they really love those. And if you can hear the lawnmower, Adam is mowing the grass right now, so sorry about that. I got Connor some more chocolate chip waffles. He likes to have these in the morning for breakfast, either with peanut butter or Nutella. And then I also got the kids some of these chocolate and vanilla ice cream cups. I've gotten these at Walmart, at Aldi. I like to get these because it's less work for me. I don't have to scoop out the ice cream for them, and it's also really good for portion control. So these are the chocolate and vanilla ones. I also got them some Uncrustables. That way Kira can pack lunch for summer camp a little bit easier and help pack Connor's lunch also. I typically do not buy cut up fruit. It's just a waste of money, I feel like, when I can cut it up myself. But since I was pressed for time and I'm going to be leaving, I wanted them to have some fruit in the fridge. So this has mango, grapes, and cantaloupe. And then I also got some broccoli for a meal that we're going to be having later this week when I get back. I got 2 zucchini to make zoodles with, and then 2 tomatoes to have for sandwiches. Another thing I normally don't buy is bagged lettuce. I typically like to cut and wash it myself, but I took a little help from the store this week since I'm not going to be in town, and got a Caesar salad kit. These are actually pretty good. I've had them before. I got some cottage cheese to have on hand in the fridge, and then I don't normally buy this either. It's just the Sunny D like juice. They're just full of sugar, obviously, but the kids can grab them for breakfast in the morning pretty easily. I also got some strawberries, which I will have to wash and cut up before I leave this morning. I got some bananas, and then also some sharp cheddar cheese sticks. These are fairly new at Walmart. Kira really likes these. They're her favorite kind, and I like them better than the ones that Aldi has, so I've been buying these a lot. I also got some baby carrots, and then I got a box of Triscuits. I'll probably take some of these with me on my trip, along with some string cheese, just to have quick snacks in my bag. I also got some Bertolli Alfredo sauce. This is for a meal this week. And then I got the kids little packages of these Chips Deluxe cookies. We did not need very much bread. We just needed some buns for the fish sandwiches, so they'll have those when I'm gone. And then sometimes Kira likes to pack her sandwiches for lunch on these Hawaiian rolls, so I just got the tiny little package. Okay, so school supplies. Adam actually ordered a lot of the kids' school supplies on Amazon, but there were a few things left that we still needed, so I got Kira a 36 pack of the colored pencils, and then she needed 2 composition notebooks, so I got her this glitter one and then this one that has puppies on it. And then she also needed another like spiral bound notebook, and I thought this one was pretty. It had a pretty pattern on it, so I picked that up for her. And then I was looking in the cutting board section, and I found this one. I think it was around $10. It's a plastic cutting board, and it kind of looks like marble, so I thought this would be good for videos, and I like to use a plastic cutting board when I'm cutting meat. And then I got some of these to keep in my bag, in my work bag, and in my purse, just some travel size Kleenex. Connor actually lost his goggles at the lake. He was very heartbroken about that, so I just picked up a package, a 3-pack of these cheap Walmart goggles. They were on clearance for $5, so not bad at all. I got Kira a pair of scissors, and then I also got her some clothes. They had these shorts on sale. They're actually showing up on camera a little bit lighter, but they're kind of like a navy blue. Excuse me. So I got her these, and then I also got her this top. It kind of has like the cutout in the front, and it's like a long tunic top. And to go with those, I got these leggings. I thought they had a really pretty pattern on them. And then I also got her these jean material leggings. She'll wear these in the fall. Connor needed some crayons, so I got him a package of those. And then I also saw this Pioneer Woman paring knife. I have quite a few paring knives, but they're getting old and dull. So I saw this one and thought I would try it out. I got some tampons, some travel toothpaste, some new nail polish. This is the Sally Hansen Color Therapy, and this is in the Hot Stone 140 color if you're interested. I'm not sure what color it's showing up on camera, but it's kind of like a dark gunmetal gray. Sometimes I get asked about what nail color I'm wearing in my videos, or like if I get my nails done. Sometimes I do, but most of the time I just paint them myself, and I always use the Sally Hansen brand nail polish. I also got some Sudafed because we were running low on that. Adam wanted some more body spray, so I got him some Axe. And then I've been looking for a facial scrub that I really like, so I wanted to try this L'Oreal Revitalift Brightening Daily Scrub Cleanser. It smells really good. I bought some scrub, it's like acai and blueberry or something like that from Trader Joe's last week, and I don't like it. It feels like I'm putting a smoothie on my face. I don't know if it's just the scent or what, but anyway, I thought I would give this a try. I got 2 packages, or 2 12-packs of Diet Cherry Pepsi, and then Adam likes to drink like sugar-free Red Bull or Rockstar in the mornings in the summer rather than coffee, like hot coffee. So I got him a 4-pack of the sugar-free Red Bull. Excuse me. I saw these on clearance, these beach towels, and I actually don't have a beach towel for myself. Like all the beach towels we have are like Paw Patrol, My Little Pony, all that stuff. So this was on clearance for $8, and it's normally $13. So I went ahead and bought this for myself. And then the kids needed some new water bottles for school to take with them in their backpack. I always struggle with these because like these I feel like are kind of pricey. They're $10 a piece, and they say they don't leak, but then you know, I want something that doesn't leak, but I kind of have heartburn about spending $10 because obviously the kids will probably lose them at some point. So I don't know, but anyway, it has the flip off lock right there, and then you can flip the lid like that. I think they hold, what does it say? 16 ounces. So I don't know, we'll see if these work. Like I said, sometimes if you buy the cheaper ones, they leak, and then the kids throw them in their backpack and you just have a total mess. So I got a blue one for Connor, and I got a pink one for Kira. So that is it for the grocery haul. Let me show you what is on the meal plan for this week. Okay, so for this week, today is Sunday and tomorrow's Monday. These are the 2 nights that I won't be here for dinner, and so I just have written down fish sandwiches, fries, chicken nuggets, fruit, and mac and cheese. So Adam can decide what he wants to fix on either of those nights. There's also leftovers in the fridge if he wants to do that. On Tuesday, I'm going to make some meatballs with sauce, and then spaghetti for the kids and zoodles for us, along with that Caesar salad. This is actually a meal that I was supposed to make last week, but it didn't get done, so I carried it over. On Wednesday, I'm planning on making chicken and broccoli Alfredo, and then we'll just eat that plain. And then the kids can have some pasta with it. And then I'm also going to slice up some of those tomatoes, and we'll have some cottage cheese. Thursday, I'm planning on doing a pot roast, and then I have some mashed cauliflower in the freezer from Trader Joe's that I want to use up, and then I'll just heat up some green beans with that. Friday, again, I'm going out of town for that scrapbooking retreat. So Friday is actually Connor's birthday, so I'll probably run and get donuts in the morning for him to have as a surprise when he wakes up. But then for supper, Adam's going to take the kids out to eat and to a movie as well. And then Saturday, I don't have planned forward to yet. So Thanks again for watching. If you're new to my channel, I'm a full-time working mom. I have 2 kids who are 6 and 9. I not only post grocery hauls and meal plans every Friday, but I have a lot of other content on my channel as well: cleaning, home organization, food prep, different things like that. So I will see you in my next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.